What if your pathway could glow beautifully every night without wires or rising bills? Today, I'm revealing the top 5 best-rated solar path lights that fix dull, uneven outdoor lighting instantly. Welcome to my channel. Stay for real value-packed picks and grab your favorites easily through the links in description below. At number 5 is NEWMESSI 8-pack. Most pathways don't lose their beauty at night because of design. They lose it because lighting feels weak, inconsistent, or simply fades before the evening ends. A frustration many homeowners face when exploring top 5 best-rated solar path lights. NEWMESSI 8-pack addresses this with upgraded monocrystalline panels and a high-density battery that delivers steady illumination for up to 12 hours, keeping walkways clearly visible and visually inviting all night long. Its warm filament-style glow creates a soft ambient effect that feels natural rather than harsh, while the adjustable height design allows better control over spacing and overall layout. The IP65 waterproof build ensures it performs through changing weather, though it relies on proper sunlight exposure for peak results. Compared to simpler stake lights that offer fixed height and shorter runtime, this set brings more flexibility and consistency. Ideal for homeowners who want reliable solar pathway lighting for gardens, driveways, and lawns, it transforms dark outdoor paths into smoothly lit, welcoming routes that feel balanced, practical, and quietly refined every evening without extra effort or wiring. At number 4 is BITPOTT Bright. A garden can lose its entire character after sunset when pathway lighting feels either too dim or disappears too soon, leaving outdoor spaces incomplete and lifeless, a frustration often seen when choosing among top 5 best-rated solar path lights. BITPOTT Bright steps in with a high-efficiency solar panel and tungsten filament design that produces a warm, soft glow that feels natural rather than harsh. It solves the common issue of short runtime by delivering up to 14 hours of steady illumination, keeping pathways visible from dusk until late night. The enlarged panel improves charging even in weaker sunlight, while its IP65 waterproof build ensures reliable performance through changing weather, though it focuses more on ambiance than wide flood coverage. Compared to others that emphasizes adjustable height and layout flexibility, this one leans into classic warmth and consistent brightness. Ideal for homeowners who want dependable solar pathway lighting for gardens, driveways, and walkways, it transforms ordinary outdoor areas into calm, glowing spaces that feel inviting, balanced, and quietly elegant every evening without effort or wiring. On number 3 is Eyrosa Solar. Dark pathways quietly ruin the mood of even the most beautiful outdoor spaces, and that frustration hits harder than most expect. Soft glow matters. Clean visibility matters. This design steps in with a striking diamond-inspired lens that spreads light wider, turning dull walkways into inviting night scenes. Short bursts of brightness guide every step. No wiring, no stress. Just steady dusk to dawn performance powered by efficient solar charging. It suits homeowners who want elegance without complicated setups, especially for gardens, driveways, and relaxed evening gatherings. The build feels sturdy, handling rain and heat with confidence. Light output is impressive, though those seeking ultra-intense floodlighting may find it more ambient than powerful. Compared to bulkier stake lights, it feels more refined and visually polished. Setup takes minutes, yet the transformation feels immediate. A calm glow replaces darkness, creating a space that finally feels complete after sunset. At number 2 is 16-pack Solar. Most outdoor spaces don't fail from lack of design, they fail from darkness, swallowing every detail after sunset. That's where a full-set solution changes everything. 16 coordinated lights create rhythm, balance, and depth across pathways and lawns. Soft 3000K glow spreads evenly. No harsh glare, just a welcoming ambiance that feels intentional. Many buyers struggle with patchy lighting or constant wiring headaches. This setup removes both. Quick installation. Automatic dusk to dawn operation. Consistent performance with efficient solar charging that carries through the night. Ideal for homeowners with larger gardens, long walkways, or anyone craving a cohesive landscape look without technical effort. The build handles weather well, though the brightness leans toward ambient rather than high-intensity security lighting. Compared to smaller packs, the coverage here feels complete instead of scattered. Every corner connects visually. The result is not just illumination, but a transformed outdoor experience that finally feels alive when the sun disappears. Now moving to the last one, is XMCOSY Plus Solar. Most outdoor spaces don't fail from lack of design, they fail from darkness swallowing every detail after sunset. That's where a full-set solution changes everything. 16 coordinated lights create rhythm, balance, and depth across pathways and lawns. Soft 3000K glow spreads evenly. No harsh glare, just a welcoming ambiance that feels intentional. Many buyers struggle with patchy lighting or constant wiring headaches. This setup removes both. Quick installation. Automatic dusk to dawn operation. Consistent performance with efficient solar charging that carries through the night. Ideal for homeowners with larger gardens, long walkways, or anyone craving a cohesive landscape look without technical effort. The build handles weather well, though the brightness leans toward ambient rather than high-intensity security lighting. Compared to smaller packs, the coverage here feels complete instead of scattered. Every corner connects visually. The result is not just illumination, but a transformed outdoor experience that finally feels alive when the sun disappears. XMCOSY Plus Solar wins because it delivers consistent brightness, adjustable performance, and a more refined build compared to others. It balances durability, aesthetics, and long runtime without compromise. While larger packs offer coverage and others push brightness, this one feels complete, giving you reliable lighting, better control, and a premium outdoor look that elevates your entire space effortlessly. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best rated solar path lights. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.